Welcome to our comprehensive online rough terrain forklift safety training course. Ensure your readiness with thorough personal and equipment inspections, crucial for a safe work environment. Learn how to identify and mitigate potential hazards in your work area, from low overhead clearances to unstable surfaces. Master the skills to prevent collisions and tip-overs. We'll teach you the best practices for safe operation, including handling slopes, managing loads, and using four-wheel drive. Be prepared for emergencies with clear guidance on what to do if your forklift begins to tip, ensuring you stay safe in critical situations. Join our rough terrain forklift safety training course today and gain the knowledge to operate with confidence and safety. Enroll now and make safety your top priority.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach courses.